Greetings traders, it is Wednesday, June 13th, 2018, and the news is about to come out in less than 3 minutes now. It'll come out at 7:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, California time, and I am just waiting for it to come out, and then what I'm going to do is use what I call the Newsday entry, and this trade of course was called out in advance before it would ever happen within my charting service. And I'm just going to take that exact trade, and I will be back once I have taken it. From doing the charting recently, let's just say, let's talk about May, I've noticed that the Newsday entry isn't good for very much. Sometimes it's good for a bit, like let's say 60 ticks or so, but sometimes it's only good for 15 ticks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a happy medium, and I'm just going to go for a 25 tick exit, and I'm going to place a break-even stop once it has gone 15 ticks ahead of my position, and the stop will of course be relative to the Newsday entry itself. So anyway, I will be back once I've taken the entry. Okay, I've got a short position here. I'll be right back. Reset the stop. Okay, stop is placed up at 66.62. By the way, if the stop gets hit, I would go long. Okay, it's starting to move down now. I am just going to go for a 25 tick exit to 66.24. Hopefully it'll be able to make it there. But I'm not going to go for any more than that. And the reason for that is because of the charting service. It came and got my stop. It didn't go down far enough. It went to 35. I was going to do it at 34 and place a break-even stop. So I didn't place one. Came and got my stop. I am going to take another trade. There's some good trades, good code 2 trades to take. And so I'm going to go ahead and take one since I've lost that first trade. Anyway, I will come back. Okay, I've taken a short entry. Let me reset the stop. I'll be right back. Okay, stop set to 66.64. That's a 12 tick stop, and then the exit is for 25 ticks down to 66.27. Okay, this one should be good. I'll come back. This is another code, by the way. I just got back. It came and got this stop again. It's just a terrible day today. You can see this is where the news came out, and ever since then it has just been chopping, going up and down in a very, very choppy way. This is the 10-minute right here, and looks like a daily chart, and just really, really bad. Actually, I just looked. None of the codes have actually worked. I mean, they worked, but they only went a little teeny tiny bit, and they went the other way. And then another one would work, would only go a little tiny bit, and then go back the other way. It's just chopping up and down, going back and forth. It's horrible. It's really, really bad. Haven't seen it this bad in a little while, quite some time, I'd say. But anyway, not a good day to trade, so I am not going to try to take any more trades, that's for sure. And I'm just going to call it a bad day, and I'll be back tomorrow for Thursday. Already have the code figured out for this week, so on Thursday it should be an easy day, and of course Friday should also be a pretty easy day, although it might not be able to get a lot of ticks on Friday, but Thursday should be pretty good. So anyway, bad Wednesday, bad news day for trying to take a trade after the news. So I'll see all you traders tomorrow. Hope you did better than me, but you probably didn't. You probably got just as bad as I am today, because it's pretty bad out there. Anyway, see you tomorrow, everyone. Happy trading out there.